The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. This was the viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for TLT, and we do see prices rising from my prior analysis last Saturday. So it looks like last week closed at the 105.21 level, and now we reached pretty much all the way up to the 107.70-80 level. So it looks like prices are rising, and there was a few comments saying, hey, I thought you were bearish, that we're going lower. Well, yeah, but right now we're going up, so I'm gonna say we're gonna go up before we go down. So I mean, this could be a bottom right over here, and we might never see it again. But you know, I'm gonna go over reasons why there's still a chance for that low occurring. But as right now, I'm gonna be saying we're gonna go up, even though medium to long term, I still think we're gonna go down. You don't want to be watching someone who keeps on saying we're gonna go down every day or every week, and then we're still kind of just going up. I like to be, you know, consistent and give you like a short term to a medium to long term analysis too. So we are continuing higher, and the reason I said we're gonna go higher is because I didn't like what happened. I didn't like how we went down so quick and we went up so quick. So I've seen this happen numerous times before. Whenever you see the market go down real quick and then we start going up real quick, we're gonna go back up to usually the starting point of this down move, and that's what it looks like prices did. We went right to the starting point, and there's a good chance we even exceeded. So we had this downtrend channel, but it looks like it retraced too much to be a pullback, so this is definitely looking like a reversal. And also, if I do this channel right here, you can see that we have 3 touches on the bottom side and only 1 on the top side. So it's not really a confirmed channel yet as right now, but it is possible to see the market respect this channel in the future. This one is definitely respectable right here. This uptrend channel that was previously in play. You can see that we had the first break. Usually the first break leads to a retest of the highs or even surpassing it. So that's what it looks like prices are doing. So basically we got 3 channels that are holding prices up or having prices work higher. We have the one that we're currently inside of, this orange one right here. And then we have the previous orange one. And now we have this big yellow one. So there's 3 reasons, or, you know, 3 channels what the market is looking at. And then also EMA is curling up and pointing up and acting as support. You can see that prices did pull back to it, looks like this week, and found some type of support at the 103.46 level before seeing another move higher. So right now, prices looking like they want to continue higher. I would say the highs is a good target at the 109.67 level. So it looks like there's a good chance for hitting that. We'll have to wait and see if it acts as resistance or not. But as right now, it looks like prices are continuing higher. There's a good chance of it continuing higher. We see this slim orange channel, we see the medium size channel, and then we see this big yellow one that could be in place. So you know, it's going to be continuing higher. Basically, you know, if you have something that you like and we get down to a price level that, you know, you like, but it's not, you know, obviously it can go lower, but if you like that price level, me personally, I just buy it, even though we could go a little bit lower, or you can just wait for a reversal and, you know, you don't have a drawdown. But you know, sometimes, you know, this isn't guaranteed. Like obviously if it was guaranteed, you know, we're gonna have some trillionaires in this planet. So right now there probably isn't a trillionaire. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't, but you know, you're gonna have multi-trillionaires if everything was 100%. This is not gonna be 100%. I still believe it's the best way of finding where prices headed next. So obviously, you know, we went up. Looks like we're gonna be continuing to go up. Looks like the market is definitely has some more room to go higher, and it's going to be pulling TLT, and also the DXY looks like it's dropping. So it looks like we're going to see some continuation of those markets. So basically, I'm looking for that 109 level. That's on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. You can see that we're going down since March of 2020, and right now what we're doing is just getting a bigger pullback. So you can see that we had little tiny pullbacks in this downtrend. You can see that we had a lot of red candles and then some green ones and then a little bit more and then a lot of red candles. So now we're just going to see a bigger pullback, very similar to what happened right here. We saw a big move down right here, but then prices retraced almost 50% of that down move. So that was a bigger pullback that the market had. Now we're just doing the same thing here. So you can see that we had the down move right here that retraced about 50% before continuing lower. And then we have this down move right here that started in November of 2021 to the bottom of 2022. And we're not even close to the 50%. So that's what I'm saying. We're going to get a pullback in relative size to the move down, which is right around the 50%. So we're seeing this leg up right here. This is the leg up. Looks like we're in the formation of the second leg. And then my first target was at the 109. If we break it, there's a good chance of reaching the 117. So that would be my second target if prices do continue to respect the uptrend channels. However, since we had a big 2 legs up and this channel is broken right here, this big green one, there's a good chance we still go back down to retest the lows because we came up short right here, led to a breakout on the top side, and we're getting a 2-legged pullback. So 2-legged pullback in the downtrend or even uptrend leads to continuation of the trend. So I don't know if I can see that. You can see a little bit of pullback right here. We had a leg down, a few legs up, and then another 2 legs down before we made the impulse higher. Right here you can see that we had a leg up, a pullback, and then a leg up, but this leg right here, the second one, was not the same size as the first one, but still 2 legs. You can see that we had a leg down here, pullback, leg down, and then we started continuing higher. So basically the market moves in twos. After these 2 legs, there's a good chance we still drop down to retest these lows. So it looks like early to mid February when we can reach it. Let's say we break this level, then I'm going to be looking into this being a bottom. As right now, this is still a good chance of being a pullback that will lead to lower prices. But again, if we break this level with conviction and we cannot go below it again, we find some type of support, then we have bottomed. That's confirmation. As right now, this is still a possible pullback, and I'm not being I don't think I'm gonna be trapped. I think a lot of people are gonna be trapped and short-sighted, thinking the market has bottomed just because we're seeing a bigger pullback than we have seen. But I still think all this is relative, and we're gonna probably be seeing lower prices. But we'll have to wait and see. I'll have to analyze when that occurs, and just gotta follow the price. So that's all I have for this week, Saturday. See you guys next week, Saturday. I'm still looking for higher prices, at least probably to the 109 level. I think there's a good chance of that occurring. And if the market's really bullish, then we're going to reach that 117. Once we reach that 117 or even that 109, we're going to have to wait to see if it acts as resistance, because then there's a good chance of retesting these lows or even exceeding them. So that's all I have for TLT this week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.